Hi there, I'm Paul from Visorvision. I'm at Mad for Bikes this afternoon and I'm going to do an unboxing video for our helmet care gift set. So what you've got in here is a Kriega Cordura travel set bag, which is a Kriega organiser, about a litre capacity, made of waterproof Cordura. But we pack it full of Visorvision goodies. Everything that we do in our range virtually goes into one of these little kits, which you can buy, comes through the post as a box just like that. So the first thing you get in there is two of our award-winning V2 sponges. I think these are the best visor cleaner in the world, and all the awards that they've won might suggest everyone else who gives awards out agrees with me. Only uses water. Very clever V-shape piece of material which cleans visors quicker than anything you've ever used. Only uses water, drying cloth in there, and heavy-duty grip seal bag. So once you've wet the sponge, put it in there. Keeps it wet, keeps you dry, and a drying cloth for your visor. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Ever so simple. So you get two of those. RRP on those is currently £3.75 each, so £7.50 worth of kit there. The next thing you get, bottle of Raincoat Pro. So Raincoat Pro is a visor water repellent coating that you apply, and it changes the contact angle of water from 30 degrees, which is like a big blob, into something which is 109 degrees, which is kind of got a much smaller footprint. So as soon as you get any sort of wind blast, it rolls off. Very effective, very quick to apply, and £18 RRP. Then you get the Kriega travel set, the Kriega organiser bag. So there's the bag, waterproof Cordura, heavy duty YKK zip. And once you unzip this, it is also full of goodies. So we've got two pairs of Moldex, or four pairs of Moldex earplugs in two of these cases. These are 35 decibels of noise attenuation, and they're really soft because they're moulded into a bullet shape. I sleep with these in at night, so they get about 7 or 8 hours and they're still comfortable, unlike some of the pressed ones with sharp ends. So you get two packs of those, 4 pairs. You get a 50ml pump spray of each of our Lid Fresh helmet sanitizer spray and Shiner, which is our helmet shell polish. This is a wax silicone hybrid. It's a very simple product, but it does the job really, really well. So in harness with the microfiber cloth that also comes in the kit, that is a way of keeping your helmet completely pristine. On the inside of your helmet, your lining, you know, if you use it in the summer and you kind of sweat or perspire into it, after a while your helmet lining needs a little bit of help to not be as unhygienic. This stuff is a silver-based solution that you just spray in there, you leave it to dry overnight, and what you end up with is something that it's not a masking fluid, it's not a deodorant, it's not one of these things you spray into your helmet and it just masks the smell. It's got silver in it, and the well-known antibacterial properties of silver mean that it just kills all the stuff that's living in your crash helmet, makes your lining smell neutral again. It's got a citrus lemon essential oil in it at the top, so when you first spray it in, it smells slightly lemony, but that just diminishes and leaves your helmet lining completely neutral smelling and clean, and stops it from smelling again in the future. Inside this, the top pocket of this bag, is 12 sachets of FogTech. FogTech is Ride Magazine's award-winning FogTech from their test that they did years ago. Nothing has really come on the market that has usurped it since. You can use it on visors, spectacles or goggles. It takes seconds to apply. It lasts for up to 5 days at a time, and it gives incredible protection in all conditions, not just kind of warm but super cold. We've tested it down to minus 40 degrees in Alaskan dog sled racing, so it really is a proper way of doing the job. So that's what you get. Now if you bought all this stuff as separate individual items, it would cost you 70 quid, but to buy one of these is 50 quid, and that includes the post to the UK. So that's 40% cheaper than it would be if you bought every item individually. That's it. That's an unboxing vid for our Kriega travel organiser set.